Hey guys, I'm Carlise, and today on Food Nerds, I'm going to show you how to make my sweet and spicy barbecue wings, okay? They're sticky wings, they have a nice kick to them, and this is a recipe in honor of Super Bowl that is coming up. So, if you want to learn how to make this recipe and make it for your Super Bowl party that's coming up, stay tuned and we're going to get right into it. So, we have a couple of chicken wings right here that I have defrosted because we usually buy a big bulk from like one of those Whole Food places like BJ's, stuff like that. So we usually buy the big bulk. So I have some wings right here that are defrosted, and I'm gonna show you how I season it. So I don't actually season my wings, I season my flour, and I'm going to do it old school, guys. Plastic bag. Why dirty a dish and do all of that nonsense? This is the way my mom's done it. This is the way my grandma's done it. I've even watched my dad do it since I was a kid. We shake everything up in a plastic bag. So I have some all-purpose flour. I'm just going to add some right into my bag. Okay. Here's my seasoning mix. So I have some paprika, some pepper, and some Larry seasoning salt. And I'm going to pour that right in. Okay. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Gotcha. Okay. So I'm going to take the lid off. I have my deep fryer here. If you don't have a deep fryer at home, you can do it in a skillet. Just make sure you have enough oil that's going to cover the chicken completely. Okay? This isn't a cover half the chicken, then halfway through flip it. No. Cover the chicken completely. So I have my deep fryer. It's set to 375 degrees. My batter's already, well, my flour, my seasonings are already in the bag. So I'm just going to add my chicken right on in. Okay. And this is, I usually do like 10 pieces per batch. So I'm adding all of that chicken right in. I'm going to show you how to do it old school, guys. So once you add the chicken in, bring the bag handles up, twist it. When you twist it, and make sure that it's sealed, you ain't got no flour coming out, okay? I always double bag it, and these are just shopping bags from any grocery store you go to. Why waste dishes? For real. And why waste Ziploc bags? What's the point? You gotta buy those. These you don't buy. So, I got my chicken in, it's sealed, shake it up. Okay, I had a little shake moment. So it's all shook up. We're gonna open it up. And our wings are nice and covered. Okay? Got flour falling everywhere. So I'm just gonna drop it right into our fryer. Dust off some flour. Drop them in one at a time. Don't actually drop it. Place it in, I'm going to say. Okay. So I get all of them in there. And that's the last one. Yep. That's the last one. So, all of my chicken is in the fryer. I don't use timers. That's just me. I know my chicken's done when my grease stops rumbling so much. Right now it's got a rumbling boil. You see bubbles everywhere. So once the boil stops rumbling so much, your chicken starts to float. The chicken floats, guys. It's done. And you get that nice golden brown color, then you know your chicken's done. So, I'm going to let this cook off and I'll be right back when it's done. See you in a minute. Hey guys, so our chicken is almost ready. And before we pull that out, I'm going to show you how to mix up this spicy hot barbecue sauce right quick. So this is just regular store-bought barbecue sauce I have. It's about 1.5 cups. And then I have some hot sauce, which is the brand that we use at the house all the time. Okay, and I have about 1/2 cup of hot sauce. So we're just going to pour this hot sauce right into our barbecue. Okay, and it's in a little bowl. I'm just going to whisk that up until well combined. Okay, while we're waiting. It smells so good. Now guys, if you don't really like spicy food that much, you can do this the same measurements, but instead of hot sauce, you can do it with honey mustard, make barbecue, honey barbecue wings. You can just do straight barbecue sauce. You don't have to add in any hot sauce or any honey if you don't want to. Okay, the choice is yours. It really is. So now that my wings look great, this is what I'm gonna do. I have a bowl here. It's just lined with some paper towels, just so when I take my wings out, it won't be so greasy and it's gonna drain most of the grease. Okay, so my wings look beautiful. They're golden brown. They smell good. They're crunchy, just the way I like it. Let me turn this heat off. Okay, so I'm gonna get me some space on this table while my wings drain from the grease. Then I'm gonna show you how to coat them. So give me a minute, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my wings here. They're hot. I have my barbecue sauce that we just mixed in some hot sauce in, and then I just have me a sheet pan that I lined with some wax paper just so it won't stick when it bakes in the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna drop a wing in. Coat it very, very well. Okay, it's okay if it's dripping with sauce. Let it drip, baby. Let it be saucy. Let it drip. So I'm going to turn some in there. Once you get some of this sauce off, just put it right there on that pan. Okay, and I'm going to do all 10 of these wings. Now a lot of people ask me why I fry them first. I've just always fried them. I like it when it has that crunchy taste. And when you bake your hot wings off first, or your barbecue wings, or lemon pepper, whatever flavor wings you want to do, when you bake them off first, it doesn't have that crunchiness. And I like to throw off the texture with that crunchiness. Plus the barbecue sauce mixture right here that we have, it does stick better when the wings are already fried. I guess it's sticking to the flour, but it does stick better to the wings and it doesn't fall off as much. So when you do bake it in the oven, I bake it in the oven at 375 degrees. So we fried it at 375. We're coating it. It's going right back in an oven now at 375. Okay, and it's just going to keep it cooking. And it's going to get them wings nice and sticky. So I guess you could call it sticky wings. But you'll see the texture. It's real sticky. It's really good. The barbecue sauce, it sticks to that flour fried coating. And it just tastes divine. So I have all my wings covered right here. It's lined on my baking pan. So I'm just going to pop it into the oven at 375 degrees. I don't know if you heard, my oven just beeped though, so it's done. It's already preheated. Okay, and it's going to bake off for about, I would say 10 to 15 minutes because we already fried them. So our wings are done. This is just to get the barbecue sauce to stick onto the batter, to stick onto the wings itself. Give it that sticky consistency like some sticky wings. Okay, so once they come out the oven, I'll be right back and I'll show you what they look like. See you in a minute. Hey guys, so we just took our wings out of the oven, and I just let it sit on the pan for about a minute so it was a little bit, it could cool down a little bit. And I just plated it on this plate right here, as you can see, and I'll have better pictures of it at the end of the video. Okay, so we're just gonna dive right into these bad boys. See how they came out. So I'm gonna grab this one because it's small. I don't really want a big one right now. Now, as you can see this texture, look at that. Do you see the sticky? This is why you call them sticky wings, guys. Do you see it? Let me stop playing with my food. Guys, these are definite wings. Oh, see, I can't even talk right. This is a definite recipe that you should make for your Super Bowl. It's really, really, really good. I love the consistency of sticky wings. I've always loved sticky wings. When you fry them first, you still get that nice crunch from it, so it's not all just one texture with the whole softness when you just bake them first. I do like to fry them first, so please do not skip out that step when you make these wings this Super Bowl. Okay, if you don't like hot, like I said before, you can always substitute for honey or anything like that. You can just leave it straight barbecue wings if you don't want to put hot sauce in it, but the hot sauce is what brings this right here over the edge. So I'm about to finish this plate of wings, and I thank you for tuning in with me this week. So if you do decide to try out this recipe, please leave a comment below. Let me know how it came out for you, and tell me what wings you're making this Super Bowl, if you're making any wings. If you're not, tell me what you're making, because we have to have a Super Bowl party, guys. So I'm gonna leave. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make sure you leave your comments below. See you later, guys. I'm kind of distracted by these wings. Nice cooking with you.